What's up, everybody? Brady here with Crypto Now Known, and today we're going to be diving into the Bitcoin charts. So we got the 4-hour chart pulled up here. So a couple days ago, last week on June 21st, it's looking like here, or June 8th, we started forming this nice rising wedge. We started to come up here, and we were waiting for this, and we broke the neckline on the 17th-ish here, and we shorted it here, and we were able to ride it down. This was actually an amazing trade. We took a little bit of our profits right here. We were showing bullish divergence on the RSI indicator, but we were able to ride it down to pretty much right around the bottom here. After this huge fake out here, we did shut our position down right here. And then we started forming another, what looked like we were going to be able to break out and start making a bullish trend coming up. And then when we started getting up here around key support levels, we just got shut down. So that was yesterday around 4:30 a.m. And so we were watching that. So when it broke out, it looked like we were breaking out, and it looked like we were going to go above. I put a long in up here, and we got stopped out at our stop loss. So we just paid attention a little bit closer. We noticed that it was forming this nice little wedge here. It was a lot clearer on the 1-hour chart. And then about yesterday morning, around 4:30 in the morning, I took it a short after we broke the neckline around this bar right here. After we got three actually closed, confirmed out of the neckline and below key support level. We were able to ride that one all the way down. We did take some profits here, and then it bounced up, and we thought it was going to go lower. So we held on, but then right around here, when it dove right back down and it jumped back up, we actually closed our position right around here at the top of this green bar. Just because if I bring up the RSI on here, you can see that we're starting to show massive bullish divergence on the RSI indicator here. And that was enough for me to close the position. Because if we look at the technical targets, if we get rid of this here, I mean, that is a huge drop. Like, for us to go from there to there, that's going to bring us down way down to like 25K, 26K. And we're too bullish on Bitcoin still for I think that to happen. We tried twice here to break down, and we just weren't able to have it happen. And with the bullish divergence on the RSI indicator, I just don't think we have enough volume or enough bears to step in and really pump it down that far. It's just, I don't think, I mean, it's always a possibility, but I think we're just too bullish with Bitcoin right now. And we're still in this big descending wedge here, which I thought we were going to break out here, which is why we were really paying attention to this key support. So right now, I am not in any current trade. So we're just pretty much waiting for this to go. I mean, there's always a possibility we go down more and break down. I don't think that's going to happen in this case. I think we're going to consolidate for a little bit more and then maybe see a breakthrough to the upside and get something like that. But I don't think we have enough to really make it go down to way down to what that technical target would be. It's always a possibility, but to see it drop down that far, I just don't think it's going to happen. So we're not in any trade right now. We're pretty much just waiting for price form to action. Really, there's just been so much emotion in these markets right here right now. It's pretty sketchy to be entering any trade. Any trade is high risk. This one was probably the best one, but right now I just don't see anything. I mean, we got so much support and resistance in all of these levels here. It's gonna be a battle the whole way down this, and then right down here around this place is where it's really going to start mattering. So we're just going to pay attention, and then once a better price form action and pattern forms, we're going to really be able to take a better look going at it. So we're going to wait for price action to form, and then we'll see what we're going to be doing later on. So that's everything for right now. I mean, I guess you can make a case that, well, it's not really a good one, an inverse head and shoulders, but it's not really clear. It's pretty choppy. Or I guess you could do a bigger one, that one, and then this inverse head and shoulders. But yeah, so we're just going to be waiting. We're not in a trade right now. Any trade that will be right now is high risk. I mean, we always have the possibility you could trade a breakout going short. I don't think it's going down there. I don't think we have it. We have a lot of bullish divergence on the RSI. I think it's, but we really need to see the bull step in and really pump it up from here. But this key area that we're in right now is really where it matters. So we're just going to keep our eye out. Once we start breaking past these support levels here, and then in this trend line, we're going to be looking for a long back up to the upside, which would give us a target around $34,500. So that's it for now. I'll keep you guys updated once price form actions, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.